Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp in laptop Windows 11. WhatsApp has steadily improved the desktop app with new features. You can download the WhatsApp for Mac or Windows. WhatsApp has a clean interface and also comes with calling features just like the smartphone app. Besides, Meta launched the macOS app in August after testing it in a public beta for some time. Whether you download WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store or the Mac App Store, the setup process mostly remains the same. Open the WhatsApp on your desktop or Mac running macOS. On your Android phone, open WhatsApp and go to the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Then go to the settings and select link device or tap on the QR code button. Authenticate your identity and point your phone at the QR code on your desktop or laptop screen. After you've done that, and after some loading, your WhatsApp messages appear on your computer. You can repeat the process on 4 other devices, letting you text from all of them simultaneously. If you want a mobile experience on Windows or Mac, go with the desktop apps. They work well with system notifications and you can launch WhatsApp and device startup. If you have a low-end Windows laptop or MacBook, we recommend going with the web version since it consumes less CPU energy on the device. They both cover the basics of text messaging and media sharing. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.